Which country has most forest in the world? Russia. Which session of UNO decided to celebrate June 5th as World Environment Day? Stockholm. Stockholm is situated in which country? Sweden. Who is known as father of Indian Green Revolution? M.S. Swaminathan. Western Ghats is situated in how many states? 6 Indian states. Project Tiger was launched in which year? In 1972.